We will be learning difference between the git merge and git rebase. For that I have I'm going to create a two folders here. So I have created one folder called merge project, and one more folder I will be creating here, git rebase project. All right, git rebase project. And I have created two projects here. Let's go and do the merge concept first. Right, merge project. I'm just going to create a one file here. Touch file one dot touch m1.txt. Okay, m1.txt, and I'm just adding it to it, and I'm just committing it, commit minus m1.txt added. Right, that's fine. Just right, just give the git log. Okay, when I see the git log, this is my first commit which I have created in my master branch. Right, let's see. And git branch. So now I am in master branch. Just forget about this branch I have created previously. Now I am in my master branch. Right, so I have m1.txt in my master branch. I'm just going to create a one other branch right now, from the master branch to one more branch. Git checkout minus b, branch name called test branch. Okay, test branch, or branch one. Okay, branch one. And I've used a checkout minus b command. That is the reason my branch got created and directly switched into a new branch. Right, now you have to give git branch. Okay, now I am in branch one. So I'm just going to create a one file called file file1.txt. Okay, so whatever the commit that I have committed in my master branch will be switched into the my branch one which I have created just now. This particular commit we can call it as a base commit, right? So this particular commit we can call it as a base commit. When we created one branch from the master branch, so we will get all the files along with the commits. Those commits we can call it as a base commits. Now I'm going to create a one more file called file1.txt in my new branch one. File one file1.txt, and I'm just adding a git to it and committing this git commit minus m, and just write out the message, proper message, to see a proper history of the repository commits. Right, and created file1.txt. That's fine. Just see the git log. Right, and if you see the ll, we have it two files. One is a base commit file, other one is a file1.txt which I have created. Okay, now let's go and let's check out to the master branch. uh, to let's go to the master branch. So before going to that, so why let's understand the scenario of the git rebase first. Suppose, let's assume that you have created a one branch from the original branch called master branch, and you have made some changes in the newly created branch. Right, and one some other developers, they have done the commits in master branch again. Right, you want to get that latest commit in master branch to your branch. In that scenario, then we will be using the git rebase. Right, I'm going to explain one more time. I have created one branch called branch one from the master branch, and branch one I have a few files, and I want to commit all the files which I have created in future branch one branch one which I have created just now. So somebody has done the some commits again after creating my branch one in master branch. I want to get that all the latest commit to my newly created branch. In that case, we will be using the git rebase concept. So now I have created a few files in my branch one. which I have created from the master. Now, so I'm just let's assume that I'm a developer. I'm just going to do some commits in master branch. So that is the reason I'm just checking out to git master, git checkout master. So I have only m1.txt. I'm just going to do the some more commits, means creating one more file, m2 touch 2.txt, adding a git to it, committing it, minus m, created m2.txt, right, git log. Okay, so m1 and m2 in my master branch. All right, put l2 m1 and m2. Okay, so as I told you just now, so some other developers has done some commits. So other developers just want to get this latest commits to into their branches. So I'm just going to check out future branch now to merge this master with the feature. Okay, git checkout feature and git branch name for the reference. Now in future branch, commit git merge master. So it will open in the VI editor. Then you have to pass the message. Clearly it asking that please enter a commit message to explain why this message is necessary. Right? Just go to insert mode, give some message here. Committing feature branch with master. Right? Let's save it. And if you see the git log, as of now how many files we will be able to see? Total 3 files, right? For total 3 files we should have only 3 commits, but we will be, when we done the git merge, we will be seeing a one extra commit, which is called it as a merge commit. Okay, so what will happen in the git merge? So whenever you do the commits in git merge, so apart from original commits, one extra commit id will get created, which is called it as a merge commit. Okay, so one extra commit id will get created along with the your original commits. Okay, so let's understand where we will use the git merge concept. Git merge, git merge, git merge used for to track repository history. Git merge used for to track used git merge used to track repository history, complex repository history. Okay, so in git merge we will be having a proper history, so somebody will understand what is happening, right? So we'll be having a proper trackable history in the git merge. And one more thing, it preserve preserve the uh, repository history. Okay, this is the reason we will be using the git merge, but in real time most of the people will be using the git merge only. Okay, this is the usage of the git merge. Now let's understand the git rebase concept. And I'm just clearing the screen. Git checkout master. Right, now my master branch and future branch will be having the same files in git merge concept. Let's go and see the git rebase. Okay, I'm just creating a git rebase project here. Okay, now going inside, creating a one file, aws one.txt, and adding git to it and committing this file, committing aws one.txt and let's see the git log. Okay, so is my first one and my head is at master right now, right? And clear the screen, and I'm just, which branch are we are in uh, master branch right now, right? I'm just going to create a one more branch called branch 2. Okay, git checkout, git checkout minus b branch 2. Okay, now git branch, right? Now we are in branch 2. I'm just going to, so whatever we created in master branch, this file got, transferred into the new branch which we created just now, branch 2. This one commit also will transfer here. When you see the git log, right, see, this is called base commit. All right, base commit. I'm going to create a one more file, right? Touch file 2.txt. Okay, file 2.txt, git add dot and commit file 2.txt is committed in branch 2, right? Now let's see the history, git log. Okay, file 2 created, and I have one aws 1.txt which is transferred from the master. File 2 is created in branch 2. Okay, let's go and create one more file in master branch, git checkout master, right? Now I'm in master branch, right? I'm just going to create a one more file called aws2.txt and adding git to it, right? Committing it, git commit minus m s2.txt is committed, right? Now let's see git log, right, and ll. So aws1.txt and aws2.txt. Now I'll be shifting into the future branch, sorry, new created branch called branch 2, and I will merge my master branch with the branch 2, right? Git checkout branch 2, right? Now git branch, right? Now I'm in master branch, see, branch 2, right? Now I'm going to, now this time I will be using the git rebase, right? Git rebase master, successfully rebased and updated, right? So you'll be seeing this message, and let's enter git log. First we will be seeing the files, right? See, whatever we created aws2 and will be shifted, you know moved into the newly created branch is called branch 2. Okay, now we are in branch 2. Okay, let's see the history, git log. Okay, so see, whatever the commits we have done, we got only those commits, we have not get any extra commit, like, unlike git merge. In git merge we will be seeing one extra commit along with the original commit, which we can call it as a merge commit, but in the case of the git rebase we don't see that, you know uh, merge commit, right? So let's see what is the usage of the git rebase. Okay, git rebase used to track, git rebase uh, have linear repo history. Okay, git rebase have linear repo history, and git rebase will have linear repo history. Git merge will use to track the complex repositories, it preserves the repositories. This is the usage of the git rebase. So as we discussed, in git merge we will be having a one more merge commit along with the original commits, but in case of the git rebase we won't be seeing that merge commit. This is what we can say in difference in between the git rebase and git merge. Thank you.